Hey, what's up guys, this is Vikas once again back with another tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to create a certificate design like this in just PowerPoint. It's looking so attractive guys. You can create it very easily in PowerPoint guys. So before starting creating it guys, I just want to request you guys, if you are not subscribed this channel and watching this video for the first time, then please do subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we upload a new video. Also share the video with your friends and family so that they can also download the free templates, free PPT and use this PPT in their own project guys. Okay. So without wasting any further time guys, let's get started. Let's start creating it. Okay. So right click over here and end the slide. Now you have to click on the insert option. Here you will find the new slide option. Just click on that and choose a blank slide over here. Okay. After choosing a blank slide, I'm going to copy these color samples from the previous slide and paste it over here on the new slide. Now what I'm going to do, I will create this shape. So to do that, what I'm going to do, I will choose a right triangle or maybe isosceles triangle from the shape option. So you can get isosceles triangle over here and I will choose it like this. Place it like here on the corner and make it no outline guys. Okay. I will place it something this much and drag it to something here at the bottom. Okay. Now just make it something wider like this much, and now right click over here and choose the edit point option. So just drag this bottom black dot over the left bottom corner. Okay, and you will get these two handles, these three dots. So just click on this dot and adjust this white handle to something this much, and just click on this black dot and adjust this handle to something this much. Okay. So now we're done with these shapes. Now press Ctrl D to make a duplicate copy and let me fill it with some different color, and I will put this shape over here. Okay, and make it transparent like this, and I will drag this shape something like this one, this much, as you can see. Right click over here and send it to back like this. Okay. Now right click over here and send, and here you will find the edit point option. Just click on that and click on this handle. And now you have to adjust the bottom handle. So like I'm going to click it over here and I will adjust it something like this, or maybe something like this much. Okay. Don't get bothered about this extra part. It will not can be seen in your presentation, or later on we will remove it from this slide. Okay, so don't think about that. Now it's time to duplicate this shape one more time and rotate it to the, or flip it vertically. So I'm going to flip it vertically guys for now, and let me change the shape fill of this shape to something other color, some other color, and put it over here. Okay, and now what I'm going to do, I will right click over here and click on the edit point option. Here I will find the three dots. So I'm going to adjust this handle something here, and after clicking on this black dot you will get these two white handles. So I'm going to adjust this white handle something here. Now right click over here and send it to back. sorry, we have to make it more transparent, like I'm going to make it something this much transparent. Okay, now fill this shape with this color. Okay, and now fill this shape with this color, as you can see in the color sample, but we have to make this shape transparent, like something this much. Okay, and now it's time to create this particular shape. So to do that, what I'm going to do, so I'm going to choose this right triangle option and drag it here to make a triangle, remove its outline and rotate it to left 180 degree and place it over here. Okay, just right click over here and say edit point. Now you will get 3 dots over here, so I'm going to click on this dot and adjust this white handle to something here. After clicking on this black dot, I will adjust this handle to something here. Okay, now I'm going to fill this shape with this particular color, and I'm going to make a duplicate copy of this shape, but I will fill this shape with this green color. Okay, and now I'm going to send it to back. But we will make it something wider so that we can see the shape and put it over here. You just have to slide it like this. Okay, so now we are ready with this shape also. So the final step we have to do, we have to choose an oval from here and drag an oval like this. After choosing an oval, we have to select a rectangle and subtract this rectangle from this oval. And this is very easy, you know how to subtract this. Now remove the outline and put this shape over here. Now make it something bigger, like this much, and put this shape over here and make it transparent and fill it with this color. Make it transparent like this much. Okay, now we are done with the shape. So the final thing what we have to do, we have to place a logo over here. So I'm going to copy it and paste it over here. Now if you want to create this logo, then I have already created a separate video in which I have explained how to create this type of logo in just PowerPoint. Okay, so you can refer the video. I will give the description in the I buttons as well as in the description box. I will provide the link of this logo video in the description box as well as in the I button. From there you can go and learn how to create this type of logo. So now we have the set of text. So I'm going to copy all the text from the previous slides and I will paste it to the new slide like here. Okay, for background, what I'm going to use, for background I will use this particular light blue color, this color. Now let me show which type of text I'm using in this particular certificate. So for the certificate text I'm using the Algerian, and for the achievement I'm using Calibri body and the size is 18. For the name or surname text I'm using this here Sina text and the size is 48, and for the font I'm using Aparajita 10. In the same way you can see which type of text I'm using in this and this. So this is how you can create this type of simple and very attractive certificate design in just PowerPoint, guys. I hope you will like the tutorial very much, guys. My effort, guys. Then please do support. You can make contributions by contributing small amounts. So the payment description I will provide in the description section, guys. From there you can donate us a little bit to make us motivated, to keep us motivated to create some beautiful stuff like this. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. See you in the next tutorial. Till now, bye and thank you very much for watching the video.